Welcome to Engine Explorer, where innovation, elegance, and power meet on the open road. Today we're stepping inside a vehicle that's not just redefining travel, but luxury living itself. This is the 2026 Mercedes Motorhome that's nicer than most. $1 million homes agree, and once you see what's inside, you'll understand exactly why. From the outside, this isn't your average motorhome. The exterior is sculpted with Mercedes-Benz's signature precision, a blend of boldness and elegance, sleek LED matrix headlights, chrome trim retractable awnings, and an automatic leveling system greet you as you approach. But it's once those automatic double doors slide open that the jaw-dropping reality sets in. Step inside, and you're not in a vehicle anymore. You're in a floating luxury suite. The cabin is wrapped in handcrafted leather, polished wood, and ambient lighting that changes with your mood. A full-length living room stretches across the center, complete with designer recliners, a marble coffee table, and a 70-inch OLED TV that retracts into the cabinet at the touch of a button. The attention to detail is staggering. Every fixture, from the brushed aluminum finishes to the climate-controlled floors, feels like something from a five-star hotel. And the soundproofing? It's so quiet, you'd forget there's a 600 horsepower engine just beneath your feet. Moving toward the kitchen area, you'll find a gourmet chef's dream. A quartz island with induction cooktops, a smart refrigerator, built-in espresso machine, and even a touch-controlled pantry. Overhead, ambient lights glow softly as music follows you from zone to zone, all powered by Mercedes' AI-integrated living system. Then comes the bedroom. And this is where things get serious. A king-sized memory foam bed with underbed storage, backlit wall panels, and panoramic skylight views. There's a sliding divider wall that can transform the room into a private suite in seconds. And yes, there's a walk-in closet with a motorized clothing rack and built-in vanity. Now let's talk about the bathroom. Because Mercedes didn't just install a bathroom, they built a spa. Full marble interior, heated floors, a rainfall shower with multiple pressure modes, and a bidet system with voice controls. Even the mirror adjusts its tint based on lighting and doubles as a smart display. Underneath all this opulence is true German engineering. A hybrid turbo diesel V8 with electric assist gives this beast smooth, quiet, fuel-efficient power. Paired with Mercedes' latest adaptive suspension and all-wheel drive, the ride feels like silk, no matter the terrain. Of course, it's fully solar capable, with rooftop panels feeding a high-capacity lithium battery bank, allowing for weeks of off-grid luxury without sacrificing a single feature. Add in satellite Wi-Fi, full vehicle automation, and even remote control through your smartphone, and you're looking at the most advanced motorhome ever built.